there are 3 cases filed against protesters by the government. 2 have been struck out this morning. So we're expecting that the government will also withdraw the 3rd one, which concerns about 11 people. That one is still pending in this court. Yeah. I think it's coming up this week, later this week, on Friday.
All right. Thank you very much, sir.
So expect the federal government to take steps. We are calling on the federal government to take steps to return these children to their homes and then embark on rehabilitating them. And as we have applied to the court, to also enroll them in schools. We are also calling on the governments of Kaduna and Kanu states to take urgent steps to have these children particularly taken back to their homes. Yesterday, 19 people were also charged in Borno State, including minors. Again, we are calling on the government to discontinue all cases pending in different states with respect to the August protest. I'm also aware that 16 people are standing trial in Kano. Initially, 632 were arraigned before a mobile court, but today, 16 are still standing trial in court. Once the government has recognized the constitutional rights of Nigerians to protest, the criminalization of protests in Nigeria must stop. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
He said what we're supposed to say. We only want to appreciate the concern of the Nigerians. And as far as I'm concerned, I realized and discovered that the problem of Nigerians is not about the differences of ethnicity, is only like their concern particularly about the bad governance. Protest is not a crime. Protest is not a crime. So please and please, federal government should consider, although we wanted to appreciate their consideration, kind consideration, and their intervention in discontinuing these charges against all the defendants. And we urge the federal government to come again to intervene over the 11 defendants that their charges are pending before court. We sincerely appreciate the kind concern of the Nigerians. God bless them all. Thank you. Hamza Nuhu Dentani.
How are you?
Yes, I'm counsel to the...